DEUTZ, the world's first engine factory, pioneering and leaders of off-highway drive systems for over 160 years. Built tough, reliable, precise, engineered for maximum performance. Crafted with precision German engineering, our products are designed to endure the rugged and extreme temperatures of Australian conditions. Since the beginning, our engine range has grown from diesel and gas to include hybrid, all-electric and hydrogen-powered drives. DEUTZ Australia is the leading engine manufacturer in Australia, driving environmental responsibility for cleaner energy and a sustainable future. The DEUTZ Australia team have developed our very first battery energy storage system. From inner city suburbs to remote and rural areas, we help you stay powered wherever you are. Whether it's agricultural, industrial equipment or pumps, DEUTZ engines are built to last. Empowering progress for 160 years. Stay powered and stay charged with DEUTZ.